Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 8th English. Tatya bachcho aaj chh son topic how teachers learn. Tui khulyu panai kitab text book khulyu tai wuchu grammar work. Fill in the blanks by using the past participle forms of given verbs. They should put 3 forms of verb. Verb shows us some action. Verb should 3 form. Godkish one is present. Doimish is one past. Tremish one past participle. 3 forms verbs asa. The fill in the blanks by using the past participle forms of given verbs. Achidit, write, rent, forget, break, cook. Trim form lagam. Yaad thujo trim. I am living in a yathi rented. R-E-N-T-E-D. Rented. I am living in a rented house. Bushus. मैं एक किराया के घर पर रहता हूँ. मैं एक किराए के घर में रहता हूँ. I am living in a rented house. It is not safe to sit in a dash chair. Athi broken. B-R-O-K-E-N. Broken chair. Broken. It is not safe to sit in a broken chair. Some people do not like vegetables. Some people do not like dash vegetables. Athi cooked vegetables. C-O-O-K-E-D. Cooked. Some people do not like cooked vegetables. Some people do not like cooked vegetables. Athi pronunciation gasa vegetables. Some people do not like cooked vegetables. The headmaster wanted a dash report. Wrote, written. Yathi written. The headmaster wanted a written report. W-R-I-T-T-E-N. Written report. The headmaster wanted a written report. The headmaster wanted a written report. That is a dash quarrel. Forget, forgot, forgotten. 3 forms of verb. 3 forgotten. G-O-T-T-E-N. Forgotten quarrel. That is a forgotten quarrel. I am living in a rented house. It is not safe to sit in a broken chair. Some people do not like cooked vegetables. The headmaster wanted a written report. That is a forgotten quarrel. The email chu tey page te asgar lekhin zuz page gasan me WhatsApp pet watin tat gas tohindis parentan hund sign asun. Stay home, stay safe.